That's a way to start a video right there. Just drop the camera. But alright, so yeah, I just finished work. Sorry, yo, my allergies are acting up. Like, anyways, just finished work. I'm home. I just need to get straight to doing some work. Recently, I picked up a Grassroots intercooler. My God, a Grassroots oil cooler. By the way, I bought a splitter, TOP1 Motorsport splitter, which matches the side joints that I have too. Y'all see that? All right, so yeah, I bought an oil cooler. I pretty much set up the lines and everything already down here. Went to my boy, you know, Milo at JDM Addiction. I set up the lines there. They're running under 45, as you can see, up and out. But now I just need to find a mounting place for this cooler. I want it to go like here, so it can be inside the grill. Right here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try and work that out, and then I'll let you guys know what I come up with. Right there. Alright, so this is what I came up with. Pretty sure, oh, I should have left the bumper on. But it literally sits on an angle right here through the hole, right? So I put air to it with my air gun, and you can feel it going through it at this angle. So I'm sure it should be effective in a spot like that. The clearance from the wheel is pretty good. I still do want to run, these are the lines that you can see, but the clearance is good. Obviously the tire doesn't go like this, but it can full lock. And the other way also. Yes, baby. And I'm gonna make another bracket. So I made a bracket here going across. I'm gonna make another bracket from here going to the original point that I made for the battery, and then see how it sits like that. See how it sits when it's like that. Or maybe I'll make like a Y, bump, and they both just bolt there so it sits solid, you know? And then we'll see from there.
This is my pink car. But I will get her because I'm going to paint it pink one day later.
I'm going to paint it pink one day?
Yes.
For you?
Yeah. The back one right there. Come over. See? This is the back one. And this is the inside. Because this is like that gun did.
So where's the engine?
Right here.
Okay, where's
That's my engine.
That's your engine, okay.
And there's stuff in it.
So what else you like?
I'm gonna color.
Well, we got another set we're gonna get. I know we're gonna pick it up soon, right? We'll see what color it is. Anyways, I just test fitted it again with the lines and everything on now. So just to kind of get a little more idea of how stuff's gonna sit. I'm sure this will probably sit more lower and that will sit there. And then yeah, the lines are on it. They're obviously a lot more than they need to be right now. I'm debating if I'm gonna cut them down or just try to reroute them, but just want everything to be smooth, right? So we'll see. But that's that for the catch cam bracket. I'm gonna hold on. Let me take it off one more time. Show you guys that it's on there by itself. Everything's sitting nice. Throw it back on the roof. Because we are done that for today. Right, baby?
Yep. I love my car. My car is so creamy. So cream.
It's so cream. Yeah.
Creamy.
So yeah, like I said, solid. Alright, so.
You got this for me. And this red, black, with white with it.
So that's the oil cooler.
That's the oil cooler.
Mm-hmm.
My dad just started.
And that's the intercooler.
That's the intercooler.
Yep. And this is the brake caliper.
This is the brake caliper.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so what else I gotta do for this today? Not really much I really have to do right now. I'm still waiting on the AC kit. It's coming. Oh, I gotta add to the board too, actually. Since we just picked up TOP1 splitter. Add to the board on that. It's 300 on that.
Can I do it?
And I'm hoping this car is gonna get done before this list cancels out. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spots. I am not going to this row.
Daddy,
Car should be running by the end of this, man.
Daddy, can I do it?
After, baby.
I want to do it pink.
You want to do it pink? After, baby.
I want to do it right now.
After.
No, please.
Huh?
I want to.
Man, I'm way too late, but I finished painting up the bracket that I made. I'll show you guys what it is right here. That's the bracket that I made for the oil cooler. That's the top bracket that goes here. And I'm just about to y'all gonna see. Okay, so final look on the bracket. I'll line this on the bracket that I made. That's how it looks now. 30, like I said. That's how it mounts. Bracket. But side note, wifey did a trip for me. She went and got the battery that I'm gonna need to fit there. So y'all see the batteries that I have here. Those are the original batteries. This is the original battery I was running in there. Stock Honda battery. And now we got this. Boom. So I did some searching around, and I was going through the Odyssey battery. I was going through some lithium batteries. I was going through prices. I was going through, what do you call those? Optimal batteries. And it came down to me getting this battery. Check the specs with the stock specs. This is everything it needs and more with the size that I need for it to fit. So fast forward, obviously I did a lot of stuff off camera. I made the new tray for it. So, boom. This is the new tray that I made off of the old tray that I modified for the battery one is mounted there. You can go back in the videos and see that. But this is the new tray now. That's gonna sit right behind the oil cooler. Nice and dandy. So, it's nothing special. I literally just cut up the old what's it called? Cut up the old battery tray originally from the first time I did it for the first battery, and I just continued with the same thing. So there it is. It's gonna sit literally right there, legitimately right there, and the battery fits nice. So yeah, so the clearance is there, exactly what I needed. I ran into problems when I got the oil cooler, so now, yeah, everything's good. That's all it takes, you know, a little thinking, and we can get stuff exactly how we need it. So now I just gotta decide how I want to run these lines for the oil cooler, which I'll probably have to shorten them and go from there. But yeah, man. So oil cooler set up. I'm still waiting for this for my AC kit to come. Some problems happened with the order. On the provider's side, they had some stuff that they ordered and they said it got messed up. So I'm just waiting, yo, because that's the only thing that I need right now to start the car. Well, not that I needed to start the car, but I want to have that there so I don't have to take nothing back out, because the AC condenser is going between here. So I just kind of want to get it fastened in before I fill up the rad. So yeah, man, just hopefully that comes sooner than later, and then I'll get this thing back to being started. Well, like it once was running. Not with this motor, but the car in general running. Boy. Right there, yo. Alright, yo, so a little extra, you know, add on. I finished my video, but honestly, I was like, fuck, let me just do my splitter too. Goddamn, bugs getting in here because all the lights in the night. I've never worked in the night like this, but yo, I ended up doing the splitter, guys. Putting the Top1 Motorsport splitter on. Did a whole bunch of different variations before I got it to this. I had it way out. Maybe if I can drop some pictures. Maybe on my Instagram I'll drop some pictures before how I had it. I had it way out, like maybe like 3-4 inches out. And then I said, yo, let me bring it in. And this is how she's sitting. And now I absolutely love how it looks. Like, look at that. Don't mind the mess, guys. Like, I'm just rushing. I'm gonna clean this stuff up before I go inside. But perfect, man. Perfect. Yes. So now I'm gonna cut, because since I brought it back so it doesn't stick out so much, I gotta cut the excess that sits over the tire. So I'm gonna get to that right now before I call it a night. And I did install the quick release brackets, which I got, by the way. Shout out to wifey for gonna go pick that up for going and picking that up at JDM Addiction. So y'all see how they look. PCI quick release splitter brackets. Yeah. Got the shit looking nice. Feel me? Oh yeah. So let me just make that cut, finalize everything, and get her inside. Feel me? Maybe get a little. Ooh. This is the first time actually going around the car. Show you guys how it looks, you know? Yes, sir. So y'all, appreciate y'all, man. We having talks about trying to start this thing maybe in a day or two, so we'll see how that works out, you feel me? But like, comment, subscribe, y'all. You're gonna see this on the road near you.